Hi everybody, my name is Matt Murphy. I'm a retired audiologist with more than 20 years of clinical experience, and I'm also the inventor of earHero, the world's first micro-speaker non-occluding earpiece trusted by law enforcement and security professionals for their radio communications. But this channel isn't about gadgets, it's about giving you answers. For years, I watched people walk into my clinic feeling confused, overwhelmed, or even embarrassed. Not because their hearing was bad, but because no one ever took the time to explain what was really happening or how they could fix it. It was not only difficult for the patients, but also for their loved ones. So I want to take my many years of working with thousands of patients and fitting hundreds of thousands of hearing devices and share what I've learned that really works. That's why I started Sound Solutions by earHero. On this channel, you're going to find practical guidance on hearing aids, tips and tricks, tinnitus help, hearing protection, and understanding your hearing, plus anything else that needs to be addressed. I'll do my best to explain everything clearly without the jargon and without the pressure. If you want your hearing to work with you instead of against you, if you're tired of guessing, if you want answers that you can actually use, you're in the right place. If you have a specific question or issue with your hearing aids, you're probably not alone, so leave a comment below and I'll do my best to address it. Make sure you don't miss any of my videos. It could just be the one that solves your problem. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's start improving your hearing together. Welcome to Sound Solutions by earHero.